because you need to control demand and supply of money. When there's less money in an economy in circulation, the demand for it is higher. I mean, the value of the money increases. So that's one thing that they hate about Bitcoin, that Bitcoin's market is supply and demand. I mean, when there's increase in demand, the price goes up, and there's a slow supply of it. There's only 21 million of it, and people don't want to exactly sell it all the time. So the value of it increases. People can make payments instantly with it. People are running away. The government wants to tax crypto now, especially in South Africa. They want to start taxing crypto.
Yeah, no, I've seen that.
And I mean, I don't see the need for that, because I feel like people should be able. I mean, I don't mind paying tax if I know my money is being used for the benefit of the country. But I mean, we all know the situation in a lot of these countries. South Africa is one of the highest income tax brackets in the world, which is quite scary, because people don't have disposable income to be able to invest. They don't have it. So you tell someone that, look, you can invest on easy equities or on crypto.com or whatever, or Coinbase, they always think that they need a lot of money, and they know that they won't have it. Because, I mean, the way the system is set up in South Africa is that they tax you all over. I mean, when you get your salary, you get taxed. When you buy products, you're paying VAT on that. So everything you're doing, you're just getting taxed so much that you don't have disposable income. So, I mean, I'm reading this book called PowerNomics by Dr. Anderson. And he talks about the power of community, well, let's say people coming together to start businesses. Because it's based on the black community in history and how, for example, there's not so much disposable income available. So what they need to do is work together in order to start businesses, or in order to invest together, because individually you won't be able to do that. There's a reason why people in South Africa don't know much about investing. It's because they also, number one, people are very lazy to learn about investing. You can learn about it if you want to. All the information is on the net. If you want to do it, you can do it. But you'd rather pay someone to do it for you, right? And I mean, we've been sold this lie of stability. So even when this person is talking to you, they're just telling you stability. They'll tell you if you do it yourself, you lose all your money. I've been approached by financial advisors before, claiming to give me this investment account and so forth. But when you ask them real questions about the return, your rate of return, and market questions about indicators and so forth, they don't know what they're talking about. They're just selling you. They're salesmen. They're just selling you products.
Oh, exactly. Yeah, they just want their commission.
They don't know anything. And I mean, if they're so good, how come they're not rich?
Yeah. No, that is very true, man. Like, at the end of the day, it's like you look at a movie or a book. I mean, I've read the book and watched the movie. That whole Wolf of Wall Street thing, like, they don't care about anything. They just want their commission. Like, whether you get into a stock that makes you a lot of money or that, it's not. Maybe it is because it probably is because they're lazy or not as educated as they should be. But they don't make any more money really if you make money. It's like they get their commission on selling you the stock, and that's that. So